Hi, Jacoder. Just a real quick chat here on what's remaining. We left the remove methods out for you to do. There's a few other methods that are very similar. We mentioned map and select, things like that. You just want to go through and look for the to-dos. But the one of the essence of the dynamic array is, of course, growing that array, and you can see information on growing here in the logic chapter, the concepts chapter, which is just before the challenge, previous chapter. There's information on growing, how we're growing that array. Basically, what happens is when we hit capacity, we need to grow it. Let's kind of look at what we mean by that. I'm going to activate a method here. It's a real simple method, but it's a load test. It adds 100 customers into our list, and that should be over our initial capacity, right? So this should actually fail, we would expect. And it does. It's exceeding the bounds, just like we thought when we hit size of, we only have a capacity of 10, so when we go over that, we are index position 10, or the 11th element, we are exceeding bounds and it blows up. So because we're not growing. We've kind of put the framework in, if you remember, in the add method, add last method. We did this, where is add last? There we go. We did an assure capacity, so that checks to make sure the capacity is sufficient for one more element, because we're adding one more here. We have not coded that yet. That's a to-do. So that's what we need to do. So again, we just need to throw this logic, and I won't say just, it's a nice little challenge. Throw that grow effort, that grow logic into this area here. And you might have additional helper methods as well. Yeah, so that's it, and have fun. Talk to you soon.